In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your name and photo on Text Messages iPhone. So you want to open up your Messages app and click on the top left on Edit, and then click on Edit Name and Photo. From here, you can say choose name and photo or set up later in settings, but let's just click on choose name and photo. Let's say I want to use this picture. You click continue. You can see my name, surname, contacts only, and ask always to share automatically. Click on done, and now it has been created. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If this video didn't help you out, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you.